How to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. If you want to turn off Meta AI, which is the new feature of Facebook, then this video is for you. If you go through the Facebook and hit on the settings and privacy, there is no any option where you can actually turn off Meta AI on Facebook. There is only one way to do so. You can use the older version of Facebook to turn off Meta AI, because in the older version there is no Meta AI feature where you can disable options like smart replies in Messenger and face recognition in privacy settings. You can also adjust ad preferences to limit personalized ads. In older version, these settings may be found in general or account settings. In this way, you can easily use this method to use or to turn off Meta AI on Facebook. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to like and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.